welcome to Edimike Engineering, and in our today's class we'll be educating everyone on workshop tools, identifying some workshop tools. So briefly, I'll take us straight to some workshop tools and their usefulness. So tools, workshop tools and their usefulness. So here before me I have some tools here that I'll be identifying with you. So first I'll start with this. This is a sledgehammer. Sledgehammer is used for that. It has so many purposes: for dismantling, it's used for breaking, it's used for doing heavy duties. We also have this, the hammer. Now this very type of hammer is used in driving in nails. It's a driving device. You use this to drive in nails. Now we have the wrench. The wrench is a spanner that has different dimensions. So it is for multi-purpose use. What I mean is that you can set it to a required size and use it to do whatever you're doing. So it is called a wrench. Okay. We have screwdrivers. We have different types of screwdrivers. This is the flat nose screwdriver. Flat nose screwdriver. This is the star screwdriver. There are different sizes, different designs, different companies for all screwdrivers. This is also a screwdriver. Now you have this to be a plier. Now what is a plier? A plier is a holding device. A holding device is used for holding, and it has so many applications and so many designs. We have just like this, the long nose plier, and we have this one. Some of them are also used for cutting. So one of the usefulness of plier is for, I said before, these are different types of screwdrivers and they have different purposes and sizes. This is a flat nose screwdriver, flat screwdriver. This is a star screwdriver. So anywhere you see this is a star screwdriver, and these are still star screwdriver but different sizes and different brands. So this is a center punch for making initial holes. It's a center punch, and we now use this to make an initial point in case you're drilling or you want to open a hole. So this is what you use center punch for. And now this is set of Allen key. It has different sizes. So now this is an hacksaw. This is the hacksaw frame. The hacksaw frame is used. This is the frame that held the blade that is used for cutting. And this is a bit, a drilling bit for drilling of holes and opening of holes. So keep subscribing to Edimike Engineering, and you will keep learning and learning and learning. Thank you.